Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. If I say Americans are fool, bloody fool. British are fool, bloody fool. Chinese are fool, bloody fool. Pakistanis are fool, bloody fool. Russians are fool, bloody fools. I mean, in whole world, the peoples of big countries, which they have big armies, big forces on the name of to protect countries. Their peoples are really fool. They are paying heavy taxes. They are paying too much money on the name of protection of countries. First of all, tell me why we need protection, why we need big weapons, why we need heavy kind of weapons to kill humans. We are claiming that we are protecting humans. Then why we are making this kind of weapons to kill a lot of humans? Why? These are not to save peoples. These are just to kill humans. They are getting money from the peoples who are working too hard. They are working too much and paying too much taxes to the government. Why paying to government? Because government says that they are protecting them, they are giving them good lives, but it is not true. The government peoples, they are using their money on the things which are useless. These big bombs, this too much expense on defense, these are useless, because if all the countries live together and don't fight, then why we need forces? Why we need defense? Why we need bombs? Why we need this? If you calculate only just Americans, if the Americans only just calculate their expenses, how much they are spending on their defense, then I think they will get made, because on the name of protection